Hi, I'm Erica from FarmSteady, and today we're going to make fermented ketchup. And you might be wondering, why would we mess with ketchup? Ketchup's pretty perfect. But fermented ketchup is even better. It's kind of like ketchup's super cool worldly cousin that introduces you to flavors that you just didn't even know existed. It's complex in a way that still tastes like ketchup, but just so much better. Fermented ketchup has all the flavors you love from ketchup, but intensified. It's tangy and deeply tomatoey and so rich and delicious. And we've even had a table of kids tell us that we should bottle it, so they'll love it too. And a great thing is that this recipe relies on pantry ingredients, so you can make it any time of year. And if you're interested in fermenting even more things, please take a second, subscribe to this channel, and let's get started making this fermented ketchup. For this recipe, you'll need 6 cups of tomato paste. That's 48 ounces. In a large bowl, add all your tomato paste. It's quite thick, so it might take a minute. And done. Add 1 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1 cup maple syrup, and a ½ cup kraut juice. This is the liquid left over in your sauerkraut. Add a ½ cup Worcestershire sauce. Soy sauce works well too. And 3 teaspoons salt. One teaspoon cayenne, and some smoked paprika. Now mix it all together. Until smooth. Transfer into your fermenter. Ladling is a whole lot less messy than pouring. Make sure it's all in. Clean up your edges. Add your lid and your airlock. And let ferment. After fermenting for just 3 to 5 days, you'll want to transfer it into bottles and store in the fridge. I love sharing the things I make, and it's really fun to save cool bottles or pick up little guys, fill them up and bring them to friends when they're hosting a barbecue or a cookout, and then you get to share your fermented ketchup and leave it with them to enjoy the rest of the year. Thanks so much for watching. Please make up a big batch of ketchup and enjoy all summer long. And for more fermentation recipes and kits, check out FarmSteady.com and subscribe to this channel, and we'll keep the videos coming.